Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm here at Electrosport RC Raceway. You might notice it looks a little bit different. They did some painting, so it's continually being improved. I've mentioned that this place is very new, right? So they got this half painted, maybe that half will get painted next week. Every week it's something new, just like my cars. New stuff this week, new servos in each one. TLR 22 5.0 Elite. I've got a Savox 1258 titanium gear servo in here. So we'll be racing on the new Savox servo for the first time. I'm going to show you qualifier 1 and then the main race. I also changed my speed control to blinky mode, so it has no boost. Slight difference, I really couldn't tell that much on the track. I've also dialed down my brake to 75%, and I've got the new steering servo in, the 1258 TG. Let's get out there, qualifier 1. Alright, with a new servo I do have significantly more steering confidence. I'm still on borrowed wheels and tires. These are, I believe these are dirt webs, all in green. No, it will be for the night. That's the one.
So we have Dara checked in, Jordan Miles checked in, Billy's checked in, John James checked in, we need Jones on, Joel Das, and we need some marshals. Alright, so it's going to be Dara slowing on the tone, and everyone else when I call your name. Jean.
This is qualifier, so we're running against the clock, not each other.
Little Jordan. Billy. And John Kennedy. Alright, so Thursday night, Netcruzer Sport. Wednesday night, Worlds. 2 heats of 2WD Buggy. We've got Dara, Joel, Long coming by, Jordan's coming by, he's leading us so far, 26-2. 26-4 for Billy. So he's in 2 position right now. JK sitting in 5th. Going down in 6th up on number. So 1 minute and 10 seconds to go. 3 minutes 50 to go. 1 minute down. Everyone getting their second lap through now. Still showing Jordan Miles on the front. He's on a 12.518. Billy's on a 12.521. Joel's on 11.507. Dara's on 11.508.
Watch the straight, Billy.
Oh, watch out for the straight. Stay on the inside. All clear. Oh, we need another marshal. Thank you, Mr. Craig. Alright, that's going to change the order.
Crap.
Yeah, that's what Jordan got in 4. Oh, he's taking a shortcut. So just turn around. Turn around. The marshal in the off camber. There's second on tire. That's not going to help us second overall. We've got 1 minute and 30 seconds to go. Joel's down to 5th now. 11.522. 1 minute 15 to go. Whoa, we're close there. Alright, Dara's down to 3rd now on 11.517. Jordan Miles 11.516. 11.503 for Billy. Here comes Jordan. Let's see what he got now. Alright, showing Jordan down to 4th, 11.518. So him and John Gallino and Dara are all really close in time. 40 seconds to go. You have a 2-wheel drive buggy. You're in the next heat. Thirty seconds to go. Alright, now it's showing Jordan in 2nd with 11.516. Dara in 3rd with 11.517. Jean with 11.518 and 4th. Joel with 11.525. So 7 seconds off on Joel's time. and then good JK on the 10-5-10. So we have 5 seconds on the clock. I will let you know when you're done. Just keep going until I call your name. So when it turns orange on the screen, that means you will be done when you pass the line. So Jared, when you pass the line, you will be done. John, when you pass the line, you will be done. Joel, when you pass the line, you will be done. Jordan as well. When Billy passes the line, you should be done. Yep. Yeah, Billy's done, Jared's done. John Gagnon is done. Jordan Miles is done. JK's done. We're just waiting for that white and blue buggy.
I hit one of those ice chunks.
That was qualifier 1. That last lap was particularly good. And that was probably one of the faster guys, and I was not too far off his pace. If I can just learn to drive better and do a couple tweaks, I'll be good. Also, I'm not on the ideal tires yet. Those are coming in probably next week. All right, it's time for the mains. I'm in the B main, and I placed in second, so we'll see how I do in the B. I've also slightly adjusted my throttle exponential. All the previous qualifiers and runs I did, except for the very last one, I had 30% throttle expo. Now I'm running 10, and I like it better. It's a little bit punchier, a little bit faster. You just have to, you know, not overcorrect. So let's go try it.
We got Lozy on BQ, followed by another Lozy 5.0 Elite. Andrew Mercer with the Lozy 5.0 SR. Jordan Craig with the Associated. Mark Hilton with Associated. Trevor Ludy with the Yokomo, and Keith with the Kyosho. B-Main two-wheel drive. Good luck, drivers. We racing the sound of the tone.
Hey, who's the guest? That guy.
Where's the button? Less than 5.
Scotty.
That's a nice clean start. Nice clean start. We got a freight train coming around. Mark Jones making quick work of some of these guys. He's already up in the second place. Look at this. Keepers, get on your horse. Bit of a rough start.
Sorry. Oh, man.
Marshall in the middle. Marshall in the middle.
Sakes.
That's too heavy on the binders, John. You're too heavy on the binders. First across the line, Mike Monders. Mark Jones. We got Trevor, and we got Jordan hot on his tail. Followed up by Andrew. Leader through the Evans. Followed by Mark. And Jordan. And Trevor. Andrew looking to make a move. Oh, that's a tough one, Andrew. Then the front. Right now, our close battle between Mike and Mark, looking for that bump up in the A main. Leader starting the straightaway. Second place coming on the straightaway. It's about a 3.5 second lead right now. Let's see what it is when we cross the start finish line. Oh, it's about 3.5 still. Jordan Craig right now with third place, followed by John Kennedy, Andrew Mercer. Here comes Trevor, and here comes Keith. Temperature drops, traction drops. So if your car was all goody-goody at 7, check it again at 9:30.
Ah, dang it. It'll be hard to catch you now, Jordan. It'll be hard for me.
Leader coming up on the back markers. Keith, look out. Trevor, look out. Give the man some space, please. Oh, second place takes a tumble. That gives Keith, or sorry, that gives Mike a little bit of breathing room. He's past one of the back markers. He's coming for the next one. Watch through the doubles, Mike. There he lets you by. Thank you very much. Watch out. There you go. Second place. Sorry, Mark. Second place there is coming up on you guys now. You got about a 6.5 second lead between Mike and Mark. Leader with the ball, he's up the straightaway. Second place is the double. Leader across the finish line, second place. Just picked up 2.5 seconds on that lap. A little bobble cost Mike. Let's see what he can do. He looks like he's got a little bit more than 17.5 power in that thing, I'll tell you that. Watch out, Trevor, here comes second place. Thank you. Ooh, I didn't mean to make you do that. Second place on the straightaway. He's looking to catch Mike. They're closer than ever now. Picked up another 1.5 seconds on that lap. We're coming down to it. We've got 41 seconds left. It's going to be a close finish. Oh, no! Heart move. Traction's leaving him. That gives Mike some breathing room. Second place crossing the starting line. Actually, that gives Jordan a chance. Watch out, Trevor. Here comes third. Thank you, sir. Oh, third place stuck on the bike.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Marshall right here in front of the straight. Thank you.
Oh, I screwed myself.
That gives Mike Waters the win. Keith, you're
Oh
done.
no!
That's Mark in second. Well done. Oh, Marshall, not done. Come on, Jonathan, right here, over here. Oh, come on, Jordan, Andrew. Oh, who won that? Andrew Mercer takes that.
Oh, holy cow!
Jordan right there at the last corner, John Kennedy, and then Trevor to finish it up.
All right, I don't know what I was placed there, but that was back and forth, pretty good. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.